Right. We are doing some different topics which are actually part of Olympiad courses, Olympiad exam it is. In that connection, the topic we are doing is quadratic equations or polynomials or theory of equations. Why this topic I am doing? This is very useful chapter for first year applications, second year direct chapter, in all entrance exams, and indirectly it will help in applications and problems, numerical problems for physics. Okay, it will help for physics as well as for national exams like NDA and other things. Guaranteed this chapter. That is why this I am selecting, so that you will be very strong with the basics before enter to this course. And it is also a connecting chapter from 10th class to all other. That is why we extended. Actually, this is indirectly in national exams in the Olympiad. It is called actually theory of equations. Theory of equations. Third degree polynomial, fourth degree polynomial, fifth degree, all that how to do, we will come to know in this. But little quadratic related other problems only I am doing. Okay? We will extend later. First I will give some basics only. In this connection, what kind of problems in Olympiad exactly they will give you? See, Olympiad is nothing but it is not a very difficult from sky it is coming to you. In our chapter only, exposure must be there. Different type of problems how to tackle. You should have exposure, focus. If you have that much level of experience while doing these problems, you will get so many ideas. All these ideas together will help you. In so many other topics are also the same. What is the hence doing extra and different concepts is a benefit only. Nothing is loss or else time waste or anything. Classes will be costly classes only. Okay, so for that I give today exclusively Olympiad problems. How they will give you. I will discuss so that you will understand. You get improve yourself for ideas. So the problem which I do is suppose solve or they will ask values given like this: x into y plus z is equal to 44. One problem is like this: y into z plus x is equal to 50. Z into x plus y is equal to 54. This is problem given. See, it is nowhere concerned with regular syllabus, means regular chapter, quadratic equations, sum of roots, product of roots, not easy. It will not come across any other method from your 10th class or else from PSC, any syllabus regularly. Such type of ideas if you improve, you will be always on the top to your actual courses. So here, if you observe, there is one symmetric order. X outside, others are inside. One term is outside, others are inside. Cyclic terms. It is between three variables x, y, z. Solve means we have to get x value, y value, z value. From this, what you do is first you write down given equation x, y, z, x. Y, z, x, y. Z, x, y, z. You observe here, adding all these equations, x, y, y, z, z, x, 2 times, therefore, is equal to adding 4, 4, 8, 2, 14. So that x, y, y, z, z, x is equal to how much? Enough. This will give you immediate solution because you consider first equation in the place of x, y, z, x. Okay. 44 plus yz. What is implied? Yz is 30. Elimination process. There only we are eliminating. We will not increase the solution. Okay. Use the second equation. Yz to xy. 50. What is zx value? 74 minus 50. 20. Over. Next use the third equation now. Yz to zx. Yz to zx. 54. xy plus 54. What is this next? xy. 74 minus 54. Again you have got one symmetric problem, sir. Some symmetric is there. Huh? Now you see. It is not simply blind that you don't know how to solve, you have to apply your regular syllabus chapter formula or anything. Simple logical ideas only. You are not even using your quadratic equations, sum of the roots, product of the roots, squaring, cubing on both sides, or else trigonometry formula, sin theta, cos theta, or factorization, rationalization. Nothing is there. That shows it is a different idea than your regular syllabus. These ideas we need more. Regular syllabus printed textbook throughout the time anywhere you will get in the market. Okay, everybody knows it. You must know something which other people do not know. That is why this is special problems. Ideas are important. All of them you cannot get one problem. Do like this models, you will get more. You can see what is the next here. Multiply all these. Everyone is 2 times x, y, z to whole square. 30, 24, 20. Then you have to write this into factorization. Don't multiply full bundle. Okay. You get to 20 kg problem 8. Write this also into factors of square. 6 into 5, 6 into 4, 4 into 5. If you multiply too much, that will be 1 kg number. Finding square root is not easy. Now you see here 6, 5, 4, whole square. Square cancel. X, Y, Z is how much here? 6, 5, 4, 1, 2, 0. Finish. Problem is finished. Now you see, you have these 3 equations, only one equation, enough. You can finish the solution. How you get x value, tell me? Immediate. If you want x, y z substitute 30. Yz is 30. 120 by 30. Finish answer. Zx you write 24. You will get y value 120 by 24. Next. If you write xy value 20, what is z? 6. He didn't mention. Solve only. Careful. Here every letter, statement, every word is important. That is called your presence. Understand statement and your presence. Blindly solving, getting answer, it is not our criteria. Solve only. It is not only positive solution, and therefore there will be negative solutions also. Since you are taking square root, therefore it is under plus or minus. Plus or minus, plus or minus. Now you see, one is positive solution. Even if you write negative solution also, you will get answer. He didn't ask for solve for positive integer solutions. And then only one solution. Find all solutions, negative also. Then what is now if I write in the triplet in the bracket plus or minus 4 plus or minus 5 plus or minus 6. See, a beauty in the solution. Weight is there. Something algebra, oh, too much, so on, writing, adding, subtracting, calculating, multiplying, dividing, everything, finally 2 pages has no beauty. Cyclic terms are there, symmetric terms, cyclic means. Therefore, this process of solving called subject improvement. This kind of models we practice. Samples I am explaining. Don't think I am doing all 20 or 100 problems, so chapter is finished. There is no end for any chapter in the mathematics. Remember, no end for any chapter. You select any chapter in maths, never ending. To your certain level of course, restricted only. Okay. You cannot say quadratic equations you are past 10th class and hence you are perfect scientist in quadratic equations. Not like that. So, some exposure I am showing you. This is so called the way how we have to improve slowly. Later I will start some other topic called integer solutions, number theory. There also I will explain some ideas. While doing in between some more methods, I will give you multiplications, squares, how to write, how to decide number divisible or not, big numbers. Now write down. Next also I will give you one cyclic problem. See the cyclic level. X into x plus y plus z, a square. Some number y into is b square. Here also you can observe there is one symmetry. One symmetry is there. How you can solve it is all you have to create your ideas only. Instant ideas. Every problem cannot be in the same type of style, same formula. Okay, no. We have to improve. How you will improve? Trying so on, trying only. All the trials together, knowledge. If you don't get solution also, no problem. But your trials are actual trials are original. That is your subject. Here also some symmetric is there. Everywhere x, y, z is presented. In this case, what I will do is adding all the three equations. Adding 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Adding. Then this bracket is common. Then what is inside? X plus y plus z. Finish it. Next step answer only. How I say answer? See. This is whole square. Then what is x plus y plus z? Consider plus or minus because it is all possible solutions. Whenever you take square root, consider plus or minus every time. Okay. Not only here. Throughout the next 3 years, we have to do solutions like this only. Now you see. Now I did not call what is x means, you know the answer. Substitute this value in 1, x value, into y value. Answer tell me from 1. What is x value? Substitute this here means plus or minus a square by root r. Or assume that this is k. Then what is y value? B square by k. Z c square by k. K means plus or minus. How many steps I wrote? Maximum 1 step. If not this one, you will not get answer in 2 days. So if you finish this 14 days, you shift also, you will not get. People try for multiply x square, x, y, y, z. All that will not help. See, this is what the way how we are solving. That beauty must be there. What is that beauty in the solution means? Less number of steps. Every step has its own bet. Powerful. Okay. This variety we need to solve many things. Therefore, I am giving ideas like this. Next also I will give you x into x plus y plus z is now you see x into similar cyclic problem only I am giving you x plus y plus z a minus yz different y into now you know how to write other terms by cyclic a minus yz what is next b minus zx immediately you can guess the problem also. It is definitely c minus yz zx over x. Now he is asking x yz values. How to solve this, you know? This is also a different model and there is cyclic terms means symmetric terms are there. So what to do is same type of ideas. That is this equation you take first equation only. First I will show you only first equation. X square xy zx yz is a. Something is possible factorization. Here x into x plus y z into x plus y. So what is implied now? X plus y x plus z is a. You got factorization. Similarly, there will be factors also here, given in the second equation. How we can write factors? Assume that this is our fourth equation, given because already 1 to 3 are. You take this equation again. xy, y squared, yz, zx. Here, z is common. Okay, y as it is only. X plus y, z into x plus y is b. Now you understand that x plus y into y plus z is b. Fourth equation, fifth. Next, take this equation. This is z into x plus y. When you take this here, okay, z square xy. Direct zx plus not possible. You will write zx yz plus z square plus xy is c. First to last, x common, y plus z, center, z common, y plus z is c. Again what is common? Y plus z into, now you know that 4, 5, 6 only, finally you are solving. How you will solve 4, 5, 6? Now you see here. One observation. xy repeated, zx repeated, yz repeated. multiply 4 by 6. Everything is 2 times. What is 2 times? X plus y plus z, z plus x, total whole square equal to how much? ABC. Take square root. When you go for square root, definitely plus or minus I told you. He didn't mention positive. Plus or minus root ABC. Now you finish. Consider x, y, z, x. A. Using 4 in the place of these two, I will write A. Then what is y plus z value? Plus or minus root ABC by A. Use 5 here. X, y, z, x. X, y, z, x used. X, y, y, z. You will get z plus x. Plus or minus root ABC by B. Use 6 here. Y, z, z, x. Compulsory x plus y only. And it is definitely in cyclic order ABC by C only. Adding all these 3, each 2 times. Each is 2 times. Then, if you are adding these latest equations, each is 2 times. 2 into x plus y plus z, RHS plus or minus ABC is outside. 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C. What is x plus y plus z? Plus or minus half of root ABC. Now you can write answers directly. If you want x value, substitute yz value here. Suppose consider this value here in the place of this x plus root ABC by A. Half root ABC. This only. I will write only x value. Take this here. Root ABC is common, plus or minus anyway. Okay. 1 by 2a, half also outside I take. 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c minus 1 by a. Half a minus 1 by a, minus half. So, minus 1 by a. Now you need not to write others. Cyclic order. Observe. When x you want to minus here, then what is y value? Without doing anything, you can give answer 1 by a minus 1 by b, 1 by c. What is z value? Root ABC by 2. This way of doing things are very, very important to you. The way how you will practice. These are the ideas matter much. Problem looks okay. What you do is symmetric. Every time we are trying for getting symmetric relations. Here symmetric relation, again symmetric relation. From this again adding or multiplying, or we are doing double, then multiply. Take this here. 1 by 2a minus 1 by a minus 1 by 2a. That is why half outside, minus inside. For x here minus means y must be minus, z must be minus. Here answer is finished. This is so called solving values for x, y, z. Okay, now next. Ay plus bx equal to c. See, the next problem is little bit different. Ay plus bx is c. Cx plus az equal to b. A c over bz plus cy. must be A only. Every equation ABC present. ABC, ABC, ABC present. LHS everywhere, two variables repeat out of three. Three variables XY, Z. XY, ZX, YZ. See, this variety. Here it is not like above models. First step I will give you. Actually, you can try. I want to give you homework only. First hint I will give you at least. Right? Remaining you can solve by symmetric. First step here, consider these three are 1, 2, 3. Divide with xy in 1. Divide with xy. Here a by x, b by y, c by xy. Then what is next? Cyclic. Divide with yz. Zx. Divide with zx. C by z. A by x. B by zx. Here yz divided. B by y. C by z. A by yz. I finished over. There is a cyclic adding, unlike first problem, replace edit 2, you will get third term, answer only. It is 2 times. 2 times of a by x plus b by y plus c by z equal to RHS c by xy, b by zx, a by yz. Okay? You can finish now solution easily because RHS is XYZ LCM and then here take 2 here. If you want this value, you replace this one, eliminate this one. Answer only. This process how I give is very costly. What you do is one more homework I will give you. You try to finish. CY plus BZ. That is homework 2 and this is also homework 2. CY plus BZ is equal to 2 DYZ. AZ plus CX 2 D dash ZX. Next to BX plus AY 2 D double dash. When y and z here yz, zx means zx, xy means what must be here? Solve this also. Same type of ideas. Try to apply many ways of thinking so that try to get a best solution. Best solution carries marks. Not any solution they will give marks like regular board exam, Olympiad means. So try to improve. Next class we will discuss some more varieties and later I will start even number system, integers, calculations and all. Okay? We will start the class here. Right.